Here we are on the beach resort in Woorim. We're marketing a sensational 2-bedroom unit with direct access to the beach. Walk straight out of the unit, downstairs in your lift, onto the boardwalk that takes you to the white sandy shores. This unit and the complex rarely come up, so please don't miss the opportunity to come and inspect Unit 2 at On the Beach Resort.
An open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown. Today is too short not to take every chance, and I think we should do it all while we can. So follow my lead, pick up your feet